070-924-S.
Maganda nga ba ang araw mo? O nangangarag ka na sa dami ng bayarin? Worry no more. For your personal loan needs, andito na ang LB Lending Corporation. LB Lending Corporation. No hidden charges, no advance interest, hassle-free, easy, and fast approval. Valid ID at ATM lang ang kailangan. For more info, call LB Lending at 0967-211-7250 or 0968-545-7808. LB Lending Corporation.
Advance beyond the ordinary through Saint College Senior High School program. Here at Saint College, our students can be more than who they want to be comfortable with who they are, to be confident in their own ways. We let your individuality shine, to be different, to be extraordinary, to advance beyond the ordinary. We offer STEM, ABM, PIMS, ICT, and HE. Avail an automatic tuition fee discount for all senior high school voucher holders from public and private schools. Enrollment for the school year 2024 to 25 is ongoing. For inquiries, you may call us at 042-373-0457 or message us at our Facebook page, Saint College Lucena Incorporated.
Heto na ang pinakabago at mas pinamurang fiber plan ng Asian Vision na siguradong patok at swak na swak sa budget nyo. Sa halagang 899 lang kada buwan, mayroon ka ng up to 20 Mbps fiber internet speed at cable. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Apply na! Visit our Facebook page at Asian Vision Broadband o maaaring mag-text o tumawag sa 0998-996-3691 or sa 042-788-2727. Apply na!
Ikaw, para sa'yo, what is love?
Love is extreme feelings of affection and care.
Ay, unexplainable.
Kapag ka nakikita mo siya, hindi mapakali yung damdamin mo, tapos hindi mo namamalayan nakangiti ka na ganun.
A manifestation of who you are.
Love for me is something that transcends time and space.
What is love? Love is understanding.
Dear Love, araw-araw sa Love Radio mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, nationwide.